Sup guys, today we'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, which is apparently now called the OM4. It's the latest gimbal from DJI and we'll just unbox it, check out some of the new features and see what the hype is all about. Alright, so we're just gonna rip this apart, plastic first. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Gonna tear this off. Yep. Okay, so this OM4 is all about creating magnetic moments apparently, because it is using a magnetic mouse. This is the gimbal. It's a foldable gimbal just like the Osmo Mobile 3. Yeah, but the new thing is this magnetic mount, so it's going to be much easier to attach your phone to this. And apparently there are two ways to attach it. One is with a magnetic ring and one is with this clamp thing, this phone clamp thing. Okay, so the clamp is actually here, the phone clamp is actually here, but the ring, magnetic ring, is right here. Okay, so there's also a guide for you to kind of place your phone so you know where the right spot is to put the phone ring so that it doesn't block it when you actually attach it to the gimbal. Now we also get a tripod. This is the tripod stand, right? And oh, this shaky thing. You just kind of twist it in, I assume. Ta-da! So guys, this is a demo unit, I would say. That's why we can't actually remove this, but basically this is what you're getting. This is a phone clamp. You can either use this one or this phone ring, magnetic ring. I personally prefer this one because it's so much smaller. It's easier to stick on your phone as compared to this. This is a whole thing that's going to attach to the back of your phone, but it won't actually hinder your phone's function, I would say. Okay, let's see what else is in the box apart from this and a magnetic ring. We've got this thing called a riser pad for smaller phones. So if you have like the iPhone 7, 8, SE2, etc., it's for you to, I think, stick it here so it's easier for you to attach your phone. And we have a charging cable. This is a USB-C charging cable. And on this side, oh, this is heavy. What else is in here? Let's see, we get a, I think this is a cloth to wipe your phone, so you can wipe your phone. Yep, so you can wipe your phone before you stick the magnetic ring. On this side, we also have the Osmo Pouch. So this is for you to put it in and carry around. It's easier. And we also have this strap, which I think you tie to this part, yeah, at the end, if you can see. You can tie it to the back part and just hang it on your hand. Okay, right now we're gonna test, try putting the phone into the clamp. You know, we need to test how secure it really is. It's pretty easy to put it in, and let's see if it will fall. I'm gonna shake it. This is pretty secure, I would say. Okay, this is the phone clamp. Let's try it with the magnetic ring. And it's really secure. There's actually a white dot for you to like align with this phone clamp, so that will kind of lock them together. With this magnetic ring, there are a little bit more steps. Okay, so we're gonna use the first one first, which is a wet wipe. Tearing this open. Ooh, almost ripped it. We're gonna wipe the back of the phone, get it clean and nice. And then when we're done with this, we move on to the second one, which is the dry cloth, I guess. And this is also to wipe the back of your phone before you attach the sticker. Yeah, you're supposed to attach a sticker to a phone. So they gave us two of this. I guess one is like a backup. And you're supposed to attach it to the center back of the phone. This is like a alignment guide, so you know where is the center back. I think this is it. Wait, I think this is it. So it's around here. I'm just gonna attach it. Oh, this is actually pretty big, so I think it's alright even if you don't get the exact spot. So after you've attached this, look at that, right? You're supposed to attach the ring. Now let's use the alignment guide again. Okay, so actually that sticker is a bit off, but as long as this one is centered, it's fine. Peeling it off, and this is where it'll go. I'm quite scared. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here, right? And then I'm just gonna stick it right here. Okay, oh, I think this is it. So we're supposed to wait for 12 hours, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just gonna stick it right here. Oh my! Okay, it actually sticks, but is there a white dot? Okay, connect the dots. Did I connect it? Yep, I think I did. Okay, we're gonna go lighter with this because I just stick it, so I'm very scared. Look at that. Whoa! Alright, so we're gonna test out some of the features with this DJI OM4. So one of it is active track. This is already in the previous model. So you basically just track your subject. So right now it's tracking me. I'm gonna go. Yeah! Follow me! Disappear. So right now we are outside and we're gonna test out the panel 240 degree. I'm just gonna take a shot. Whoa! Okay, it's in progress. Keep camera stationary, so the best thing to do is to use tripod, then you won't get shaky shots. Generating panel. Ah, look at that. This is nice. Alright, now we're gonna try the next one, which is a new feature that came with the DJI OM4. This is called the Clone Me panel. So supposed to take clones of you in different panel shots. We're gonna test that out right now. Oops. Okay, I have 5 seconds. Next shot. Hello. Last one. Alrighty. Yep, you see 3 really dumb looking Yvonne in this picture. That's cool. And then we also have another one called gesture control. So basically, you turn this on. I'm going to turn this on right now, and it will trigger whenever you have a peace sign or this. I'm going to try with a peace sign first. There, 3, 2, 1. That's such a long picture. But yeah, look, it's me and my really ugly face. Now, another new feature with the OM4 is something called dynamic zoom. So it's supposed to give you this warp effect, and we're just gonna try it out.
The dynamic zoom is easy to use and, well, very practical.
Last but not least, we have story mode. So you can pick a few different templates, whichever one you like, and the gimbal will basically take over whatever it is. So let's try that out. So yeah, that's about it with the DJI OM4. There's a bunch of new cool features, but basically it kind of looks the same with Osmo Mobile 3. Let us know in the comment section down below which is your favorite feature, and we'll also put the price of this gimbal in the description box down below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.